This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sean.Guerrier. Perfectly tucked away single-family home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2-bathroom 1-level home with a spacious front, side and backyards. Separated owner suite from guest bedrooms and bath. Formal laundry/mud room off of the kitchen with large pantry closet. Lots of back or side yard for a swimming pool or private garden. Dining room can be the Florida room or extended dining room. Highly desired Chapel Hill/area between I-95, behind the hospital and the beautiful ocean. For more information, review the details below or contact Sean.Guerrier at 609-937-0123.